Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent Avenue X. Today we have a fun English story that will help you improve your speaking with shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. It is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. Here is today's question. What simple habit helped Umair speak English with more confidence? Listen carefully because the answer is hidden inside today's story. Stay with us until the end and let's begin.
Hi, Anam.
Hi, Umair. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. You look happy.
I am happy. I want to improve my English speaking.
That's wonderful. Do you have a plan?
Not really. I know many words, but I cannot speak easily.
That happens to many people.
Really?
Yes. They understand English, but they do not speak often.
That sounds like me.
Let's go to the library. We can practice there.
Good idea. This place is so quiet.
Yes. It is perfect for learning.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have easy English books?
Of course. Follow me.
Thank you.
These books are for beginners.
They look nice.
You can also listen to the audio.
Really?
Yes, read and listen together.
That sounds helpful.
Many students like this method.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your study.
The librarian showed me some books with audio.
That's perfect.
What should I do first?
Listen to one sentence.
Okay.
Then say the same sentence right away.
At the same time?
Yes. That is called shadowing.
It sounds interesting.
Don't worry about being perfect.
I usually worry too much.
Just keep speaking.
Let's try.
Great.
Good morning. How are you today?
Very nice.
Was my pronunciation okay?
Yes. Speak a little louder.
Like this?
Exactly.
This is fun.
See? Learning English can be enjoyable.
Let's do another sentence.
Go ahead.
I would like a cup of coffee.
Excellent.
I missed one word.
That's okay. Try again.
I would like a cup of coffee.
Perfect.
I already feel better.
Practice makes progress.
I like that.
Let's practice every day.
Even 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes is better than 0.
You're right.
Hello again.
Hi, I'm back.
That's great.
I practiced at home.
How was it?
At first, I felt shy.
That is normal.
Then my little cousin looked at me.
Oh?
He started copying me.
Really?
Yes, we both said good morning again and again.
That is funny.
We laughed so much.
Learning with fun is wonderful.
I think so too. Guess what happened yesterday?
What happened?
My cousin became my shadow.
Your shadow?
Yes, he copied every English sentence.
That's so funny.
Even when I said, I need water.
Did he say it too?
Yes, then he asked for water.
Now both of you are practicing.
Exactly.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I don't stop after small mistakes anymore.
That is a big change.
I speak more naturally now.
Wonderful.
Sometimes I still make mistakes.
Everyone does.
Even good English speakers?
Yes, they keep talking.
That makes me feel better.
Confidence grows with practice.
I believe that now.
Let's practice one more time.
Ready.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Excellent job.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I will practice every day.
That's the best plan.
I feel excited now.
Keep going, and your English will get better every week.
I won't give up.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Of course. See you tomorrow.
Welcome back. Did you find the answer? The simple habit that helped Umair speak English with more confidence was practicing shadowing every day by listening and repeating sentences right away. Today you learned many useful English expressions like, "How are you?" "Can I help you?" "I would like." "That's okay." Practice every day. "I won't give up." Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Fluent Avenue X, and leave a comment below. If you could practice English anywhere, where would you choose and why? We can't wait to read your answers. See you in the next English lesson.